Alright, I gotta share this with you. This thing is sounding mean. I just took it out for a cruise. And of course, as soon as I do that, somebody's coming. Hey everybody, welcome back to Burning Rubber Garage. As you can see here, I played a little bit with this and I thought, you know what, I might as well make a video about this because I enjoy watching people do this stuff, especially when they've got something like this. As you can see here, it's nice. I've done this. It's a total different color than up here, but what I wanted to do is tape this. So we have a starting point. And then I'm going to clean this side off. I guess I ought to keep going down. We'll hit the GTO emblem later. We'll take this off. I've got this done, this down here. It all looked like this discolored, nasty color. Which, you know, it happens. I mean, this car's old. But it's so cool what you can do with just a little bit of elbow grease and some decent product. But thanks again for all the subscriptions. It's almost Thanksgiving out there if you're watching this as it goes up. Hopefully you guys are staying safe, out to have some fun. I'm going to get you reset up here and show you up close. There's a lot of nastiness just built up in this, especially around this. There's our blue tape line, and you go dirty over there. Really dirty up in there. This one right back here, this has been cleaned. This looked as dirty as up here. So you can just see it's really just from use, but it cleaned right up. So let me get you set back up. And let's do this. Today I'm using a chemical, guys. I'm not watering it down at all. And then I'm using a boar's head brush. I'm just going to come in here and start working this in. I don't want it to kind of run away on me, but I'm going to come in here lightly at first. It's really a cool product. Not endorsed at all, but I just bought it because I really wanted to try some new stuff. I've been using the same old stuff since I was a kid. It works, but this thing just had some impressive results. Now I'm going to go back and go around the other way in a clockwise motion this time. I want it to really get agitated and try and give it a chance to do its job. I really hope this cleans good. If not, you won't be seeing it, I guess. There's no point in showing you something that doesn't work. It's kind of fun to do. The sad thing is, now that I've done this down here, I don't know if you can see that, the armrest, I'm going to have to do the whole thing, the pillars and the back, but I mean, I got time. Is it going to be looking perfect brand new? I highly doubt it. Let that sit for a minute. This car has been a really fun car. I still got to do a reset. And then go cruise it, so. It's pulling off a lot of grime. Get it off that window there and start just wiping. Probably hit it twice. I mean, we got years of abuse and neglect on this thing. Down and in there. Yeah, it's pulling black off, so that's good. It didn't have as dramatic of an effect as down there, so. Alright, I need to get down in there and get that stuff out before it knocks that trim piece off. There we go. Let's try it again. Get my brush up here. It's not taking a lot of this stuff to do it either. It's kind of fun to do. I imagine it'd get old after you do a whole door or two, but for starting out, it's actually pretty good. Let's do down in here too. Let's go up and down like that, see if we can agitate it a little different way than I did last time. in that line is going to be a big difference. I can already see that stuff just wiping out, but this other stuff's going to take a little bit of scrubbing. So let me make sure I've got the shot there where you can see what I'm doing. There we go. So I'm just going in a circular motion here, except for in that line. We'll try and get it there. Now let's go backwards on it. Get that right there. All right, let's try. Hold this trim piece. I don't want to knock it off. Ooh, I like how that turned out. It's hard. If you had a darker door panel, I don't think you'd care and need to do this, but we pulled a lot of the black out. Some of it is just worn down, unfortunately. Get my towel on the edge there and just kind of, you still see some product built up around the edge there. You did pretty good. I did better on this than on that. Yeah, you can see a line. I even cleaned up the chrome. There's the lock. There's your line. Hopefully the camera picks it up right there. I don't know how much of this footage I'll use. I'll probably speed it up or something. Let's go try one more spot on this car. Here we go. This one is definitely, there has not been as many passengers in this vehicle, but that's fine. We're going to start off with this. Catch that stuff in my brush. Start working it in. This brush is a really fun tool to have. I've got different ones for different things. I've got one for seats that I use. I go back and forth, let it just get really in there and work that dirt out. And this car wasn't too bad to begin with. I mean, there's a couple spots on it that are really nasty, but it sure cleaned this material up, whatever this armrest is. The doors it's cleaning up too. It's just, there's not anything too crazy. It's fun to do though. Let's pull that off and see what we got. Again, you can see a line. I'm going to pull you off the tripod here. Let me set this towel down on the seat. I'm going to pull you off this, so hopefully it doesn't make you sick. You can definitely see a line. What's been cleaned, what has not been cleaned. So I like that. It's a lot of work. It feels really nice afterwards. I don't know. You tell me if you think it was worth it or not. Alright, here we go. Moment of truth. Open that up. This door is done. It looks so good. It wasn't very long, honestly. That brush does quick work. Let it sit for a minute, wipe, repeat if needed. I got the other side. We're going to have to do this paint soon. Look at that shine off the top. I cleaned them right up. Now we're going to have to probably work on paint. Seats, I got a little bit more to do back in there. You can see I got that side over there. There's a couple odds and ends left to really clean this thing up. But anyways, hopefully you enjoyed it. If you did, I will do more videos similar to this reviewing product. Not on Amazon anymore, so I can't put the link. Nonsense Invisible Super Cleaner, colorless and odorless. It was there yesterday. Cheap spray bottle, it came broken. But they have bigger size. This is something they say that you can dilute to 20 to 1 in distilled water. I didn't dilute any of it because I needed it to clean. So, looks really good. Hopefully we'll see you on the next one.